All right, welcome back. And before we get into sports, an update on what's happening at the Norman Mandy International Airport. We're being told that the bomb was to test first responders. It was a simulation to test first responders, and they were not told. So that's the very latest. We'll have more later on in our newscast. Now let's get into some sports. Eight-time Olympic champion Usain Bolt has said he is not worried after posting a modest 10.07 seconds at the Golden Spike World Challenge meet in Ostrava on Wednesday. But is there reason to be concerned?
19-time world and Olympic champion Usain Bolt has always found a way to get it right ahead of a major championship. The 2015 World Championships gave him his biggest scare since bursting onto the scene in 2008, as he had to recover from a poor start to defeat American Justin Gatlin by only 100th of a second in the 100-meter final, his smallest margin of victory ever at a major championship. And with two relatively modest performances so far this season over 100 meters, there's fresh concern about the readiness of Bolt heading into the World Championships in London, even though the 30-year-old himself says there's no need to worry.
I'm not happy at the time, but I'm just getting to my running. I have some training to do, get back execution, but I'll be fine. I'm going to get checked out by my doctor. Coach, give me some training, I should be fine, so I'm in no worries.